2 raised to power x is equals to 5 raised to power x plus 2. Okay, remember that when we have a raised to power m plus a, times a raised to power n is equals to a raised to power mn, right? And so 2 raised to power x is equals to 5 raised to power x times 5 raised to power 2. At this point, we divide both sides by 5 raised to power x. That means here divide by 5 raised to power x, and here divide by 5 raised to power x. At the end, we cancel this, and so we're going to have 2 over 5, all in brackets from here to the power of x is equals to 5 squared. Now, then also the formula said a raised to power 1 over m is the same as a raised to power minus m. Right? So let me cancel this side to create space so that we can continue. So at this point, we're going to have 5 raised to power minus 2 in the bracket x, that is from here, equals to 5 raised to power 2. So we're going to have 5 raised to power minus 2x equals to 5 raised to power 2. You cancel the base, you work with the power. Minus 2x is equals to 2. So at this point, we're going to divide both sides by, we divide both sides by minus 2. Minus 2x divided by minus 2 equals to 2 divided by minus 2. When you cancel this, we are left with x. X is equals to minus 1 as the final answer. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.